Okay, this is the house we store our stuff at. And here's our storage. Gotta throw those TVs out too. And right there is where I grind all my lawnmower blades. And I sharpen my tools, my mower. Equipment, blowers, mowers, you name it. I wanted to show you something cool up here. It's where a woodpecker did to a tree. And he lives there. Right in there. Can you see that? He lives right in there. Oh, he's in there too. You can hear him. Got some babies in there. He pecked right through that thing. I sat here one day and I watched him for about 15 minutes pecking away. And that goes halfway through that tree. That's a thick tree. Incredible. I wish I could get right in there though. Anyway. Interesting. Interesting indeed. It's a nice little backyard. I'm going to try to move into here soon. It needs some work, but it'd be perfect for me to store all my stuff here. Be a great yard for me. I planted these irises over here last year. You can see them all. But like I said, it needs a lot of work, this yard, but be a good fun to do. And you got blackberries all up there. See all the blackberries? And that's cool. All those nice flowers. But later on in August, all these blackberries come out. And man, there's thousands of them. That's something else. You see, even got a little excavator back there too. And some cherry trees. It's good. A good little yard. And a place to store all our stuff here. And that's the cool thing about having a house. You got a place to store your equipment and your lumber. If I had this place, I could make it into a nice workshop and do all my woodworking, make some nice chairs, some lawn chairs, and you name it. I would be in almost heaven. Lots of fun. Anyway, that's all for now. See you later.